So for a company like Lush to drop 40 shades as well, it's quite a feat. Hi guys! I am heading to London because Lush is releasing, wait for it, 40 shades of foundation. We're basically gonna go and check everything out. They're gonna have a release breakfast tomorrow, and they contacted me a few days ago and they were like, "Hi Lovette, we've been watching you and following you on Instagram, and it would be great if you could come and witness this release." And I was like, yes, I would love to. I've been working with, Lush has been part of my journey since I started in the makeup industry, and this is the first time they're releasing shades, and they're releasing 40 of them. So this is amazing, and whilst I'm going to London, I'll also be doing sightseeing as I always do, and you guys get to come with me. So it's gonna be good fun. Guys, I was just randomly drug testing at the airport. Like, I ain't down like that, but okay. Right, tonight you'll get to meet some of my friends. You've met them before on my vlog, Miriam Missy Sengor. Make sure you check out her YouTube channel. And now we're in duty free, and I have to double check for some deodorant because I ain't about to be smelling, but also I see a couple of brands I like. Hey guys, landed in London. Currently I'm heading towards Marlborough Street, which is the hotel, and it was a quick ride actually. We took the regular GPS, Google Maps, to help me find the way, but we're about, like, I don't know, 3 minutes from the hotel, and then it's checking in time, and then it's sightseeing. Woo! Here is the bathroom. They even have a bidet for my butt. I have just arrived, y'all. I've just arrived. I used the Urban Decay spray, but I feel like I'm a little bit sweaty Betty. I can feel some sweat coming through, so I'm not sure, but it's really, really hot here. I'm trying to go out and buy a shirt because, look, when I left Sweden, I wore that, so I'm really, really, really hot with my mini backpack that I'll be wearing out. So let's show you guys the room. So there you go. It's just, there we go. Oh, they've got a makeup area as well, and it's not in the, and here's my room. Here's my room. And then outside is office spaces, but who cares? Okay, since we're early, we're gonna have a English breakfast, which is standard. I've really missed it, so I'm gonna show you guys what a typical English breakfast is. I ordered a medium plate, but there's like a large plate. I can't handle the large plate. Okay, so I forgot it's the football, so all of the tables outside had to be brought in. So we're now inside, and I'm going to show you guys what English breakfast is. Food has arrived. Thank you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So happy. Now we're going to go to Too Faced and look at a whole bunch of makeup. as you can tell, I'm now really sweaty. So I'm gonna retouch my makeup and then just go. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing in a sec. I am not looking forward to touching up this makeup, man. Okay, this is the look tonight. And I bought new shoes, a new dress, a new me, a new you. So now, I'm heading out to meet Missy and the ladies. So I'll see you in a second. Mwah.
I love you. Hey guys, it's Missy here. What's up? So we are in a lovely restaurant in Shoreditch called Dishroom. Dishroom? I think I probably pronounced it right. Anyways, I'm here with my lovely ladies. Deborah, hello.
I have to take off my shoes. I'll show you guys my beautiful shoes. I can't anymore. My feet are swollen and my voice is almost gone, which means it's now 10, almost 11 o'clock, and I'm gonna go to bed because I have to be up early to do the Lush shebang. Tired. But the dress was a hit. I got it from Topshop on sale. It cost like £15, and the shoes were also like £25 or something. So it's a bargain because I actually felt comfortable in everything I wore. Hey, good morning. I'm heading off to Lush now. They will be revealing their new colors today. Sorry about the sun, it's very, very bright. But it's gonna be lit. So far you'll be recorded whilst I show you what they have in stock for darker skin tones. I hope I'll be pleasantly surprised because it's needed. It's been an amazing day. I got to meet one of the co-founders of Lush as well. So that was really giving because it gave me a lot of inspiration and made me understand a little bit more why I do like Lush so much for so long. Okay, finally on the Gatwick Express, heading home, trying to eat my cookies. I can't wait to be in my house, in my bed, having a shower. So by the time you're watching this, I probably would have filmed a tutorial showing you how the foundation works. So once you've completed this video, click your way to the next video and see the full tutorial of the new foundation by Lush. Thanks for sticking around and I'll speak to you guys later.